Hello and thank you for joining me. My name's Kevin, and today I'm going to show you a really legitimate opportunity to put regular amounts of income directly into your bank account. It could quickly build into a really good income stream, probably far more than you're earning right now. But you do have to be consistent with it. So let me tell you more about it. If you need to generate more of this system will do it for you. Now, before you go any further, this is what I'm going to show you is what's called a residual income stream. So you don't just get paid once, you get paid every month. So it carries on growing and growing and growing. And when you've got a residual income stream going, you could have time off. I've just come back from the Canary Islands where I've had a couple of weeks over there. And you don't have to work, but still my business has actually grown while I've been away. My residual income stream has got bigger and I didn't have to work. And sometimes you can do this for months and months and months. So what is this opportunity? Now, I don't want you to switch off. It's about emailing. But you don't have to find your own emails, your own clients, or anything, because I'm going to show you how to do everything. Now, let me just turn this off. You see, it's in my interest to see you do really, really well. So if you decided to join today, I'm going to give you access to my 10 Plus Club. And in the 10 Plus Club, I'm sorry, I can't get in here to wind this up and down. This is a new studio I'm using. I'm not used to it yet. When you come in here, you can ask any questions that you like. I mean, any at all. And I'll be glad to answer them for you. There we are. I'll be glad to answer them for you. I'm also going to give you all of my emails, the ones that I've used that have been successful. Now, what I suggest you do with those, you either copy them verbatim, put your own name in there to start off, but more importantly, that you probably play with them a little bit, change them a little to make them your own. So I'm going to help you. I'll tell you how to get started. I'll show you how to get maximum results. And all you have to do is join through my link. I'll show you how to do that in a moment. And then I'll give you access to this club, because when you come here to subscribe, I will look in my list, and if your name comes up, then I'll let you in. So this is a private club other than that. So here are the rates of, this is what I've been doing with my email. As you can see, you start off with 100 emails every day. So first day you get 100 emails. Second day you get 200, third day 300, you've got it 4, 5, 6, 7. However, when you subscribe one person below you, they double that. So you go 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12. So I think at this point, I'm getting around about between 4,000 and 5,000 emails. Let's say between 3,000 and 4,000. Now, just look at these. I must write pretty decent emails, and that's what I do mainly for a living, because you can see I'm getting a click-through rate of an open rate of 14 and the click-through rate of 10. On this one, I've got an open rate, a click-through rate of 17. These are exceptionally high, by the way, and you get the same by using my emails and playing with them. Now, there's 3 ways of making money from this opportunity. You can build your own email list. This is what I enjoy doing. And you can use affiliate products. There's lots of affiliate products that you could sell, and I can guide you in that direction also if that's what you wanted to do. You can use Warrior Forum, JVZoo, lots of others, or you could use ClickBank. And these are ClickBank profits, and soon you could be generating profits exactly like this. But what I'm going to show you today is the residual system. And there's somebody far better to show you than me. His name is Steve. And in just a moment, his video will start. Now, if you enjoy his video and you want to take it next a step further, and I think you'd be daft if you didn't, all you have to do is go directly below this video and you're going to find a link which will take you through to this page. Now, when you get here, there's another video you can watch if you want. There's below this screen here, there's a text explanation, so a web page, or so you can watch the video, read this, or you can just go straight to it and get started. How much is it going to cost you? Well, it's £30 a month. Oh, sorry, $30 a month. I'm in England. $30 a month. So that's $1 a day, but it does have a one-time $30 joining fee. Okay, so that would be $60 your first month, $30 after that. Now, it's really not hard to get to $30 a month, Believe me, I think I did it in a couple of days. So well, actually, that's not even true. I think I made something like $280 in the first 2 days just sending out to affiliate product. And then I got some residual income going as well. But you do have to be consistent. So watch what Steve has to say. And if this is for you, if you want to learn it, it's a very low commitment to a very high potential for making money. So I wish you all the luck. Watch this video. Remember, if you would like to get started, if you'd like to learn more, click the link directly below this video. And by the way, in the description below this video, you'll also see the link for the 10 Plus Club. And if you subscribe to this and you use the same email, and I see it you're in my affiliate list, if you've joined under my link, then I'll grant you access to the 10 Plus Club, and you can ask me as many questions as you wish. Thank you for joining me. I hope you enjoyed this short video, and I hope that you investigate it further, because it really is a very original opportunity.
Hi, this is Steve from the UK with another update for you on my lead gen secret, because this is absolutely awesome. What a great little business opportunity this has turned out to be, and it's just $30. And for a $30 business opportunity, today it's day 60, and as you can see on the screen, I've earned $9,530 so far. And in fact, we're right at the very start of day 60 as I'm recording this, so in fact this is 59 days earnings, and the money just keeps coming in, and of course there are recurring commissions here too. So today I wanted to give you a quick update, and I thought I'd start with the money today. But for anybody who's not seen this before, this is a fantastic opportunity. All you have here is a system that generates leads for you that can also make you money as well. Now, I'm not going to go into too much detail about this today, because if you've not seen this before, I'll put a link below this video where you can go and watch my day 30 video, and that gives you a lot more details about everything about how the system works. But in short, what happens is that when you join my lead gen secret for $30, you're going to spend a $30 one-time admin fee and then $30 a month to get this system. And then what happens is you've got a mailing platform here where you can mail and promote any product or service that you wish. Now, the great thing here is that the leads that are in the system are actually converting into sales of the system itself. But what that takes is consistency. Now, when you first get started, you get 100 leads a day. As soon as you've referred just one person to this system, you start to get 200 leads per day. So with 200 leads per day, that's 6,000 leads per month coming in, and those accumulate. So after month 2, you'll be able to send an email to 12,000 people. Now, I've actually just sent an email today, so I'm going to pop that on the screen, and you can actually see right down the bottom here. Let me just zoom down to that. I'm sending it to 11,900 people. That's, as I say, I'm on day 59 today, just coming into day 60, which is why I've not quite hit the 12,000 yet. I had 100 leads the first day, and then obviously 200 leads a day ever since. So let me just open that email that I've just sent prior to opening up this video stream, and you can see it's a very straightforward, very simple message that I'm sending out saying, look, I've earned $9,530. And what you do is you're able to put tracking links in these links that are going through to the platform, and that's what I'm doing, and I'm going to show you that now to just prove to you and these leads in the system themselves are converting into sales of the system. And I can do that by coming over to the affiliates link here, and then I can click on downline, and here you'll see my all-time members. Now, quite a few people are showing as affiliates now. What does that mean? Well, that's the quitters. That's the people who've given in so far. No surprise there, that always happens. But you can see I've got 808 active in the total team. 127 of those are personals. Let's just take a look at the month, just to give you a feel for the last 30 days. So I've referred personally 45 people in the last 30 days. And when I click on this link, it'll open up these actual people that have joined the system in the last 30 days that I've personally referred. Now, I'm blurring out the names for privacy reasons, but as you can see here, one here, a person called Jeff, has got a tracking of my lead gen secret 2106. In other words, that's my tracking link I added into the email that I sent out from my lead gen secret on the 21st of June, and this person here, Jeff, has signed up. So that's one in the last 30 days from the system. Here's another. This is Pamela, from an email I sent on the 8th of June. Now you can see what happens here is that obviously time goes on and people join a little bit later. So that's two we've got there. Here's three. One from an email I sent on the 3rd of June. Let's just make sure I haven't missed any. That's 1, 2, 3. Oh, actually there's another one here that I've missed. Charles. So joined on from the email I sent on the 14th. So I've got 4 people who've joined as a result of the emails sent out from the system alone. All of the others are from my other marketing. Things that I do like YouTube videos, and you can see where I've got YT here. They mean these were YouTube videos. These are from one of my mailing lists. This is from a Facebook post that I did on the 20th of June. This is one where I actually was talking to somebody and sent them the link. So that's the way I do this, and you can see that it works. But what it takes is consistency. It takes consistency of mailing from the system. But realistically, if you want to have phenomenal success with every or any business opportunity, the big secret is to market and promote your link everywhere. Anywhere that you can. Share multiple times per day on Facebook. Do a YouTube video. Share my YouTube video with your link on your YouTube channel. That's fine as well. And there's a link below this video that allows you to go and grab that video for yourself. It's perfectly okay to do that. So there's a very quick overview. As I say, that's phenomenal results from a little $30 opportunity. If you've not watched my 30-day video, you can click the link below and see that. Or just get started again via the link below this page. So take action with this. It really is a great little system. It does work, but it takes consistency, and just don't quit. Just keep going, and this will work for you. So hopefully you found this useful. Thanks very much for watching. This has been my day 60 update of my lead gen secret.